Hello, Gerard Claudio here. Magandang araw sa lahat. Sa video na ito, ang pag-uusapan natin is one shocking reality that most networkers aren't talking about either dahil sa nahihiya or dahil sa deny or most people are just not aware that this is something that has to be addressed. So, kung bago ka dito sa page ko, by the way, my name is Gerard Claudio and I'm streaming right now dito sa, or I'm creating, I posted this video here sa my Facebook page ko. I'm also present sa YouTube and then I also have my podcast, Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerard Claudio, YouTube Pinoy MLM Tactics by Gerard Claudio, dito naman Gerard Claudio. Okay? So, I believe na mahalagang pag-usapan ito kasi this will increase the chances that people will respect the industry kung ma-address to. And isang bagay na to, I haven't really thought about it for, when I started. Kasi parang, wag mo nang i-overthink, is just yes upline. Ganun lang yung palagi. And I see problems arise sa business, sa business ko. Pero hindi ko siya ina-address kasi nga parang sinusunod ko lang yung sinasabi ni upline. So, ano tong isang bagay na to? And I want you to stay up to the end kasi this is not good but at the same time may solution siya. Hindi ito isang problem sa network marketing na wala siyang solution. So, kung nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, I hope you find this encouraging, itong video na to. Because this is the purpose of this. I want to encourage you kung nandito ka situation. So, what is one shocking reality about network marketing? And people are losing money in network marketing. A lot of people are losing money in network marketing in the process. At first, nung na-realize ko to, akala ko, anyway, like, of course, any business, normal na naman may wala ng pera. Parang ganun yung concept ko. Parang, of course, you take risk, you lose money, and then, that's what business is. Pero na-realize ko na pwede ka kasing nawalan ka ng pera because you take risk, or alam mo yon, you're not equipped enough to make decisions. Pero ang isang bagay na nakikita ko sa network marketing, I don't want to say this like in a bad way. If you're a network marketing leader na nakikinig dito sa akin, I hope you don't take this negative. But this is a sort of awareness. The losing of money of people in network marketing inside the network marketing teams and companies was system inflicted. Gerard, what do you mean system inflicted? Ang ibig kong sabihin na system inflicted siya, it could have been prevented. It could have been prevented. And like, okay, let me give you an example. You do your presentation, you tell your prospect, you start with, I don't know, 11,000, 15,000, 18,000, 22,000, 25,000, 30,000, whatever the package, the minimum package is, kung pinakamababang package. Pagpasok ng pay-in, ang unang-unang pinapagawa is, pinapakita yung pinakamalaking package pa ulit. Like, you start with this package, I believe na mas malalaking income mo kung mag-upgrade ka. Make sense? Do I make sense? Type mo yes. Type mo relate kung ganun yung experience mo. Okay? So, ngayon, kukunin mo yung biggest package immediately. Yun yung next step for you. Like, kakalabas mo lang ng, think about this kakalabas mo lang ng 18,000 or 24,000 or 11,000 or 10,000, then you are already encouraged immediately as of that moment to really do the upgrade. So, it doesn't matter if you're one account policy or many account policy or you're binary. It doesn't matter. Like there is always an aspect of upgrade sa any network marketing companies, okay? Because people say, hindi, kasi kami one account policy kami. This is not talking about one account policy or many accounts, whatever. Kahit one account policy ka, there is still a level of upgrade. Mag-upgrade ka, magtatagdag ka ng pera. So yun yung nangyayari. So, ngayon, kung may capacity yung tao na maglabas ng pera, pagpasok, the tendency is, okay, sige, magdadagdag ako ng capital. So, to think na ito kasi may kikitain ka agad dito, kasi alam mo yun, may mga babangga, whatever, may rebates, whatever, may commission ka na kaagad dito kapag nag-upgrade ka. Ganon usually ang nangyayari. So, pagkatapos mag-upgrade, ang next na step na is magre-recruit ka na, magbe-build ka na kaagad, and majority of network marketers doon napapasok. Bakit doon napapasok? Kasi karamihan, hindi na natuturuan after. Kaya sinabi ko that a lot of network marketers who are joining network marketing they are joining and they are losing money intentionally because the system in itself sa loob ng company, sa loob ng team is ganun yung sistema. Kalang pabilisan, paramihan agad ng pagpasok ng capital. And hindi ko sinabing hindi ka magpa-upgrade. Hindi ko sinabi na hindi ka magpadagdag kung may capacity naman o may kakayahan naman. Hindi yun yung punto ko. Pero kung ganun lang hanggang ganun lang yung pinaka-sistema, magdadagdag ka. Tapos, pagkatapos mo dagdag, sige, ikaw nang bahala dyan. Yung isa ko naman downline, papa-upgrading ko na naman. Tapos, sige, pag na-upgrade mo na, ikaw nang mabahala. O dito naman yung isang downline ko, papa-upgrading ko na naman. Parang ganun yung nangyayaring kultura at saka sistema. Which ako personally, kung tatanungin nyo ako, walang problema sa pagdadagdag. Because, of course, you want to maximize your network marketing result. And that's good na lumaki yung potential ng income mo. Pero ang problem kasi doon, mga ka-network, is marami sa mga pumapasok sa network marketing na either inutang yung pera, kinuha sa savings. Ang pinaka-worst, credit card. Or anything na naka-loan. Kasi naka-interest yun. Nakukuha niyo ba yung sinasabi ko? And hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi ito pinag-uusapan. Nakukuha ko naman yun eh. Na, syempre, hanapan mo ng paraan. Nabibigay mo yung paraan. Hanapan mo ng paraan para makaano. Pero ang nangyayari kasi, in the process, instead na nakatulong ang network marketing opportunity sa nag-join, naging liability siya. And then, the network marketer was left by itself right after ng pag-upgrade. Kaya maraming mga nagagalit. Maliwanag ba yung sinasabi ko? I hope you get my point. Jofer Gutierrez, magandang gabi. Kamusta? See you sa Dominate sa November 7. So, I hope you get my point. Like, that is a problem. And that has been happening for so long. In any company to, hindi ito specific lang for a specific company. In any company, majority, especially kung yung nagsimula ng kultura sa kumpanya, ganyan yung ginagawa. Hindi talaga maganda yung ganun. Kailangan, people should stop losing money in network marketing. In a good way, if people are not losing money and they're starting to gain back their capital, they will have a higher chances of staying in your company, in your community, in your organization, in your business. Maliwanag ba? Type nyo nga clear. So one shocking reality, a lot of network marketers are losing money that could have been prevented. So kung nandito ka, nakikinig ngayon sa akin, at kakasimula mo lang sa network marketing, and you were left with so much stocks, so much supply, may it be, ano bang stocks? May it be products na physical product or insurance stock or anumang stocks yan, your goal first is bumawi ka talaga ng capital. I will not even suggest, kung hindi mo pa natetest na kaya mong i-move yung basic na kinilabas mo na capital, huwag kang magdadagdag. Suggestion ko yun. And this is where I stand. Ako naniniwala talaga ako na lahat naman tayo naniniwala sa proseso, tama. Everything is process. Ang problem lang kasi, kapag ganun yung sistema na magpapalabas ka, halimbawa, nagsimula ng 10,000, tapos papalabasin mo, pagpasok na, nung kinausap mo na, dagdagan mo ng 500,000 agad. Alam mo yung ganun yung gap between that. And what if na-excite mo yung tao, tapos naniwala siya sa'yo, inutang niya sa credit card, 3% per month yung credit card. Ngayon, some people might say, so anong gagawin? May stocks ka, may products ka, why not i-move mo? Bakit hindi mo i-move? Maliwanag? And bakit hindi mo hanaman? Kasi nga hindi siya na-emphasize sa process ng pag-network. Palagi kasing hindi mag-focus tayo sa pag-build. Gusto ko lang sabihin na ang pag-build, nagigets ko yun, no? Na focus sa pag-build. Pero kailangan may factor ng movement ng product kung may products kayo. Hindi mo pwedeng natitenga. So, kung network marketer ka, nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin, hindi pwedeng tambak product mo. Find the ways and means na hindi ma-stuck ang product mo. Yan ang ine-emphasize namin sa team ko actually. And hindi ko to sinasabi dahil perfectong network marketer ako. Sinasabi ko to dahil marami rin ako mga pagkakamali before. And by God's grace, alam mo yon, I learned and I adjusted. So, yan ang gusto kong i-emphasize sa kada isa na nandirito. You should not be losing money in the process. And your team should not be losing the money in the process. Marami kasing concept na halimbawa, naglabas ng 200, 500,000. Ang mindset sa'yo, sige, bawiin mo na lang sa komisyon. O, para bumawi ka sa komisyon, ilang pay-ins dapat ng kailangan mo para mabawi yung half-a-million mo. Alam mo kung ilan? On average to, general estimation ko to, estimate ko to sa compensation plans across every network marketing company. Kung naglabas ka ng 500,000, kailangan mo ng at least 6 na magkukuha ng 500,000 para bawi mo yung 500,000 mo. Of course, may mga bonuses, iba't ibang mga whatever. But, so, ang tanong ko sa'yo, kapag nakuha mo yung 6, anong gagawin mo dun sa 6? Anong gagawin mo dun sa 6? What are you going to do with that 6? So, nakita mo yung cycle goes on and on. Are you learning? Type nyo nga learning sa my chats if nagagets yung ibig kong sabihin. Rian Baloloy, magandang gabi. Kamusta? Tama, so, your first step in this business is to make sure na bumawi yung capital mo. Ako, nandun na tayo. Hindi, Gerard, gusto ko mas lumaking income ko and all. Pero kung hindi mo pa na-test na kaya mong i-move yan, hindi kaya mong umusad dyan, hindi ako magsasuggest na, hindi ko talaga sasuggest na magdagdag ka ng magdagdag ng ano bang tawag dyan, account or whatever you call it. Are you learning? And ito pang isa. Meron pang isang kultura sa network marketing na tinuturo na, sige, ilagay mo yung nanay mo, tatay mo, mga kapatid mo. Ini-encourage ba to do it? Tapos, ang nangyayari kasi gulong, kapag gano'n na nangyayari, hindi gagalaw. Kasi bakit siya gagalaw, di ba? Hindi naman siya naglabas ng pera. Nagkasabihin kong sabihin. Hindi naglabas ng pera yung tao tapos piniin mo. Tapos nagka-create pa ng conflict yan sa loob ng pamilya kung sino man piniin mo. Bakit piniin mo tapos why will you even do that? Diba? Again, ako sinasabi ko to in that sense hindi sa perfect ako pero sinasabi ko to dahil sa na-experience ko siya na kung magpe-paying ka naman, wag mo i-expect na gagalaw yan lalo na kung ikaw naglabas ng capital dyan. Hindi talaga nag-work yung gano'n na ikaw yung magpe-pay in tapos lalabas tapos gagalaw siya. Hindi nag-work yung gano'n. Very minimal. Very minimal nangyayari yun. Marilyn Pena, magandang araw. Kaya, gusto ko lang sabihin to. Dinagdagan ko one of the bonuses sa Dominate MLM. Hindi to part ng program, pero dinagdag ko siya kasi na-realize ko lang. So, if you already registered, congratulations. Paki-type dyan sa may comments kung naka-register ka na sa Dominate MLM 2.0 natin na program. Type mo CEO Coach. Okay? Dinagdag ko yung 100,000 a month blueprint or 100,000 a month formula. Dito, tinuro ko dun, I added this one kasi I was crafting it and I just realized that I think I need to teach this to a lot of network marketers. Doon ko tinuro exactly step by step ano yung magiging roadmap mo. It doesn't matter kung anong company ka. Doesn't matter what company you belong. The 100K blueprint will teach you step by step paano mo makukuha from 0 to 100,000 a month in network marketing in 12 months. Excited ba kayo doon? I'm gonna give you a conservative estimate, 100,000 in 12 months, in 1 year. Okay? So, dinagdag ko yon. So, okay, so kung hindi ka pa naka-register, punta ka ng dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com. Isa 'yon sa mga dinagdag ko para pagtapos ng program, maliwanag sa iyo, kumpiyansa ka. May upline ka man o wala. Maliwanag ba yung sistema o hindi? Para sa iyo, maliwanag siya. Maliwanag siya na kaya mo siyang gawin. Okay, kumpiyansa na ako. 'Yun ang gusto kong ma-achieve mo. So, the 100K per month blueprint or the 100K per month roadmap will help you regardless kung anong company ka. Gusto nyo ba nun? Sino gusto nun? Sino gusto na 12 months from now mag 100,000 per month ka na sa network marketing? Sige nga, type mo ako. O type mo sa 100K. Sige nga, 100K. Diba? Ang laking bagay nun, lalo na sa mga kababayan nating OFW na gusto umuwi sa Pilipinas, yung mga empleyado na pagod na sa trabaho nila. Imagine mo maturuan kita no ng ganung sistema. Napakaganda na actually. So I added that as a bonus Okay? Pero the price is still the same. I just added one because I think it's very vital for me to teach that. Okay? So, go to dominatemlm.com para maturuan kita at hindi ka mangarag, hindi ka matenga kasi kailangan ma-address to eh. Itong mga concerns na to. Ngayon, lalong-lalo na kung nakikinig ka ngayon sa akin at parang lost ka, parang hala, anong gagawin ko? Sino yung may ganong feel? Sino yung may ganong pakiramdam na parang lost ka right now? And that's um that's natural, okay? Uh, pero itong gusto kong sabihin, huwag kang papagod maghanap ng kasagutan sa network marketing business mo. So, go to dominatemlm.com, register ka na. Ang first session natin is on November 7. So, kung pinapanood mo to right now, this is November 5. So, 2 days from now. 2 days from now, guys. So, ako, register ka na. Wag mo na patatagalin to. Ibanatan na natin to. Okay? So, yun na naman for me, guys. I hope this is something that encourage you. So, kung nandun ka sa situation na, alam mo, Jared, tama ka eh, no? Tinitingnan ko yung mga stocks ko dito, parang naguguluhan nga ako nung gagawin ko dito and all. Diba? So, I want you to give yourself a chance to discover the answer. Huwag ka mapagod maghanap ng kasagutan kasi may kasagutan yan. Okay? Ang good news, negosyo to. Ang good news, may kasagutan. Inulit, no? Ang good news, hindi mo kailangan magstay kung nasaan ka. Okay? So, go to dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com. Yes! Grabe, sulit yan, Joffer. Excited na ako. Okay? So, see you guys. We'll have our first session. Umabol ka sa first session kasi napakalupit ito. Maniwala ka sa akin. Sa November 7, this coming Friday, wag kang papayag na wala ka doon. So, go to dominatemlm.com. Register ka na. God bless everybody. You guys are all amazing. Bye-bye.